Alright, so I've heard this myth that you can clean cymbals with lemons and limes, so that's what I have in front of me. I just tried it on a different cymbal of mine and it didn't work, but we're gonna try it on this crash, see if it cleans it up any better. I think the other one I tried it on, it had a lot of like rust spots on it, it had just been oxidized. And those rust spots were kind of coming off, the grime was kind of getting off, but not really. But this is more just like gunk. And it seems to be working a little bit better. You can kind of already see it just gives its original shine back. And I guess just the acid and the lemons and the limes kind of eats at it. Yeah, it grows is where it mainly is. Here, let me get on our lemon piece. And then I do have a smaller little splash cymbal. Let's test some lime out on it. Here's a little lime piece. Seems to be working. You can still see a lot of the little stick marks of where I've hit it over the years, but I have this like green grime, like I said, that's kind of been on here for a while, so that's coming off. There, looks a lot better. I'm actually happy with these compared to the other one. I'll show you the other one. See, that's just so rusty that it kind of came off, but not really. But yeah, so I guess it depends what you have on your cymbal that you're trying to get off. But if you really have nothing else, I guess you could have a lemon or a lime. Who knew? I've also heard ketchup and white vinegar works.